Thompson's WaterSeal presents the steps to simpler staining. How to apply our clear multi-surface waterproofer on concrete. In this video, we're going to share some simple tips for protecting your concrete. There are a few things to do before you begin. First, clean your surface properly with a concrete etch product and let it dry for 72 hours beforehand. Make sure the forecast shows no rain and temperatures over 50 degrees for at least 2 days. Do a splash test to make sure the surface is ready by sprinkling water on different sections. If the water absorbs and the substrate darkens within 5 seconds, you're good to go. Here are the tools you'll need: a plastic drop cloth, a pump sprayer, a brush or roller, and for your safety, always wear protective eyewear or a face shield, rubber gloves, and protective clothing and footwear when spraying. And of course, you'll need Thompson's WaterSeal Clear Multi-Surface Waterproofer. Cover all nearby plants and shrubs. Shake the clear multi-surface waterproofer well and test it on a small space. Then use a pump sprayer to apply a light coat to the surface. It appears milky white, but it will dry clear. If you experience puddling, use your brush to spread it around the surface, or wipe it off with a clean rag within 15 minutes to avoid tacky areas. Let it dry for at least 24 hours and do a splash test to determine if a second coat is needed. If so, repeat the application process. Clean brushes and equipment with mineral spirits following the manufacturer's safety recommendations. Then, rinse with soap and clean water. As you can see, Thompson's WaterSeal provides a concrete waterproofing solution that's easy and strong. Click here for more steps to simpler staining.